Hey friends, we're here to do a little bonus stuffing, a savings challenge stuffing. Now, I could just put this money into my regular savings challenge stuffing on Friday. Well, Sunday is when you'll see it, but what's the fun in that? I want to do extra. So I have 100 big ones, and this money is because I was the big winner at bingo. Okay, not the big winner, but I won bingo. We went to bingo, myself and my mother-in-law, yesterday, Sunday, and I won a game, and it was $100. I also won a basket raffle, so yay me. So I am going to put this money to good use. I'm not going to spend it. I'm going to put it in my savings challenges. And the first thing I need to do is I actually need to go through and try to make change for this because nobody has change for me that I asked. So let's see. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to find change. My first thought is Penelope, I know, has a $100 prop bill, so I could replace this with that and then just use $100 in prop money, but I want to put this towards some savings challenges where I need actual cash. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, well, there we go. $100 in beauty, and that is at least a little bit smaller. Now I can kind of go through and maybe possibly break up some of these 20s. But again, there are only certain funds that I keep in real cash. So I just kind of have to look through everything. And this is actually kind of maybe good to show you because this is what I do as a hybrid budgeter. I call myself that because I use prop money and real cash. And this is what I do when I need real cash, you know, for something. I just kind of go through and exchange. So this is, you know, potentially good to show you. Okay, let's see what we have in Penelope, if anything, that we can exchange. 10, 15, 20. And I doubt there's 21s here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Okay. That might be just about all I can do, but maybe I can take change from some of the savings challenges. Nothing in car maintenance. Holidays, let's see. Speaking of holidays, do you all celebrate Halloween? And if so, do you dress up? Do you not? Do you have kids? Do your kids like to dress up? Let me know. Have they decided what they want to be yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just throw this 10 in here. My son wants to be a vampire, which I think is cute, and my daughter wants to be a goldfish. She is obsessed with goldfish right now. It used to be turtles, now it's goldfish, so whatever floats her boat. All right, I think 10, 15, 20. I actually owe myself 20 from this envelope. Trying to see, let's do another 20, and I think maybe we will call that good. I don't know. I have sort of a plan for this money, but not anything too specific. Actually, let's see what we have in school. I know this is real cash. Let's see, 10, 15, 20. And again, I am taking out some prop money, but that should still be okay, hopefully. And then if I need to come back and exchange it once again, I will. So if that was confusing, I'm sorry. But let's actually put this all together and count it and just make sure it's still $100 because honestly, if you guys know me, you know that I make mistakes easily. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 100. Okay, perfect. I was getting nervous there for a second. All right, let me actually go ahead and grab my cash tray. And yeah, so let me know what you're up to. So today is Monday, September 16th, and I did just film a mini madness stuffing, which I will actually put up on Wednesday. And then this video that I'm filming now that you're watching, I actually probably am not going to put up until next week because Friday I'll have a cash stuffing and then Sunday I'll have a savings challenge stuffing. So it will be a little bit out of order, but that's okay. So the first thing I think I want to do, by the way, if you hear like a swishing sort of sound in the background, it's the washer. It's out. My office is in the basement, and so the basement is where our washer and dryer are, and that's that. And so sorry about that. Okay, the fair, I'm going to just finish this up in my next savings challenge stuffing this week. I kind of want to finish this out, daycare, because I believe I only have $10. Yes, let me grab a marker. All right, so this challenge is from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. and just $10 more to finish this, and yay! Now, with this, so this is good. I could use a prop bill. With this, I think I'm going to just keep the money in here. I was going to start another one after this, but I don't think I'm going to. So this is to pay for daycare, and I now have daycare in my budget just as a line item. So before I do any sinking funds or any savings challenges, I have it listed as a bill. Obviously it needs to be paid, but this money is just in case there's ever a time where my check is low or something like that and I just can't fit it into my budget. That's what this is for. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 250 here. And again, this is just a little buffer. This is finished, but I am just going to leave the money in here. Maybe down the road, I might say, okay, you know what? I think this money could be put to better use somewhere else and take it out and use it towards something else. Because again, I do have the money budgeted. But for right now, I'm just leaving this in here, and I may have to, you know, put it to the back, or I could even put that in my school envelope, but we'll see. Pet, school, I'm skipping all these. Okay, this is the one I want to check. I want to see how much I have in here. My goal was 400, and because of you all and your amazing support, I was able to put $300 in here just recently. So it's not going to be quite at 400, but I do want to see what I have. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 385. So let's just go ahead. Let's just put 15 in. Why not? 5, 10, and 15. I'm trying to look for real ones. So 385, 95, 400. So we, wow, met the goal, which I actually never, ever thought was going to happen, but I am so excited about it. And some of these are prop bills in here that I will need to exchange, but I'm not going to do that right now because, again, well, this is next week. Maybe I should. So again, I don't plan my videos, so you guys are seeing me react to things real time and think about things. 20 and 40. And then I have another 20 here that needs to be exchanged. And then let's see, I have 1, 2. There we go. Okay, so I'll have to come back and exchange this last 20 at some point before I go, but I'll figure that out. And I put $300 in here, but I didn't do the savings challenge, and that's only because I want to continue this savings challenge from Danny and just put the money towards something else. And I didn't just want to scratch everything off and be done with it and just, you know, be done with it because I just don't think that's as fun. So we're done with this binder right now, and then there's a couple other things I want to do. So let's come here. This is a new challenge that I just started from Liz over at Liz and Less, and this money is being saved for my Halloween party. And so let's see, I'm just trying not to confuse myself because there's other money in there that I'm taking out in a couple days. Okay, so this is Boo Ha Ha. Let's put a little bit into this. And then I have a couple other things that I want to do with this if I can. So let's see, we have 40, 50. Let's do at least like 20. So let's do a 15. Now I'm just going to cross this 15 out. I'm trying to do both numbers, the top and the bottom, because if I do both numbers, it's going to be 150. And I think that's a good amount for my Halloween party. The Halloween party is October 19th. So I only have 1, 2, 3 more paychecks to get this all done. And I don't know if I'll be able to do it. So 15 and 5 is 20. And let's maybe do a little bit more. So I'm going to do another 5. So we'll put 25 total in here, and then I think that's going to be good for today. Again, I do have a couple other paychecks to try to get this done. If I don't meet the, whole 150 before the party, that's okay, but I'm going to get as close as I can. All right, so got our little ghosties on and our little bat, and we're putting 25 in here today. And so we have 25, 27, 29, 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38 bucks. So not too bad for just starting this off. And this money is going to go towards like buying food and supplies, like, the cute like Halloween paper plates and napkins and things like that. So that's what this money is going to be for. Okay, I do want to put a little bit in vacation, and then I also wanted to put some in the 1K challenge. The consignment sale, I need $58. And I don't really have any real cash here except for some ones. All right, I should, because I only have 1 paycheck left until this consignment sale happens. So let me actually, all right, here's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I'm just going to put $10 in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not even gonna do Dee's challenge. I'll do that next time. Okay, I don't know what I was able to edit out and what I wasn't, but scratch everything I just said. I put 10 bucks in here and I get 1 paycheck until the sale. So I'm going to try to figure it out. I may be able to do a side hustle stuffing, and I may pull some money from there. I didn't color in Dee's challenge. I'll just finish that next, this week in my last savings challenge stuffing, but I'm going to cross this out and put 48, because that's how much I need to get to my $250 goal, which again, I think my pen's running out. Again, I never ever thought I would meet, but I definitely was able to meet this, with the help of you guys. And so just once again, thank you so much. Okay, $48. Whew, this video is a mess. All right, so that's done. And then I wanted to put some in the 1K and then the rest in vacation. So let's do 1K. I'm so close to being able to color again. I have $30, which I could put that all in, but I'm not going to, because I want to put some in vacation. I have to pay off the balance of our vacation by January, and so I need to get on that. So I think I'm just going to do 10 in here. And this is my $1,000 savings challenge. It's located in this savings challenge book, which I created, 25 low income savings challenges. It is available on Amazon. I did just show this in my last video, but this book is linked below in my description box if you're ever interested in it. And we're just going to put the 10 bucks in here. And I mean, $10 is still $10. So, we're still making progress. We are so close to 500 in this. I can't wait to get past that halfway mark. All right. So we have 100, 200, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350. Hold on. Let me exchange this 20. Oh, now I have to recount it, you guys. Okay, 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 360, 70, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. $430. Yes. We're getting there, you guys. We are getting there. All right, I just did a quick little exchange and put prop money in here and real cash here because this is more of a long-term savings. And then I will probably have to come back and exchange a little bit more again once I need to pull the cash for these things. But we're going to work on this. This is one, actually, I'm just starting. So this is from Lisa Grateful Me. Her Etsy shop is called The Happy Mailbox Co. This is a digital download. It does come with a cute little envelope. And I totaled this up and it comes to $225. So I am just going to work on this. I'm not going to do it like a game board. I'm just going to color it in and try to save every single one here. So let me grab a marker. And let's see what we have here. So for 20, I'm going to start as usual. You know, I like to try to get the biggest numbers first. So I'm going to do this 15. And then we have 5 left from that, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And a 1. Okay, did that make any sense the way I did that? It probably didn't, and if it doesn't, I'm sorry. But that is just how my brain decided to do that. So 15 plus 14 is 29 plus 1 is 30, I think. So this should be 30. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So 30 bucks to start this off, and that's good. And I just realized since this is a vacation and this is a longer term savings, I actually don't need real cash in there. So what I'm going to do off camera is just go through some of these other ones, like the Halloween party and the fair and things like that. Make sure it's all real cash and exchange it out. But I'm not going to take you with me through that. I don't think you need to see that. So that is where we're going to end. Thank you so much to everyone, all of you, for watching, for all of your support. Again, I am so glad to have won this money and put it to good use, because prior to cash stuffing and budgeting, I would have just spent that on literal crap, like food, junk, like just stuff that I 10 minutes later would not remember. So every dollar saved is, it's just saved for good. It's going to a better place than being spent on junk. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.